We're going to explain how to convert a JSON string to a C object. This isn't a direct, built-in process like you might find in JavaScript or Python. C requires a library to handle the parsing and object creation. We'll use a popular and robust library called CJSON. You'll need to download and include this library in your project. Many tutorials and online resources show how to do this depending on your build system, like Make, CMake, or an IDE. Include the CJSON header. First, you need to include the CJSON header file in your C code. This gives your compiler access to the functions provided by the library. It's typically included like this: had include CJSON.h. 2. Parsing the JSON string. The core of the process lies in CJSON parse. This function takes your JSON string as input and attempts to parse it into an internal CJSON structure. Function returns a pointer to a CJSON object which represents the root of your JSON data. It's crucial to handle potential errors. CJSON parse returns null if there's an error in the JSON string, e.g., malformed JSON. You need to check for null to ensure successful parsing. For example, CJSON root equals CJSON parse JSON string. If root equals null, fprint stdr error parsing JSON len, return 1, or handle the error appropriately. 3. Accessing the data. Once parsed, you traverse the CJSON structure to extract the data. The structure uses a tree-like representation. The root object may contain other objects or arrays. CJSON provides functions like CJSON getObjectItem to access members of an object using their keys, strings, and CJSON getArraySize and CJSON getArrayItem to work with JSON arrays. Example: if your JSON has a key named name, you'd access it like this: CJSON name item equals CJSON/getObjectItem root name. 4. Extracting values. After getting the item, you extract the actual value using functions that depend on the data type. JSON get string value for strings, JSON get number value (SASN) for numbers, integers and floating point, JSON get bool value (SASN) for booleans. Remember to check if the item is of the expected type before attempting to extract the value, using CJSON is number, CJSON is string, etc. to avoid potential crashes. Freeing memory. It's very important to release the memory allocated by CJSON after you're done with it. Use CJSON delete to free the root object and all its children. This prevents memory leaks. In summary, converting a JSON string to an object in C involves parsing the string using CJSON parse, handling potential errors, carefully navigating the resulting CJSON structure using functions like CJSON getObjectItem, CJSON getArrayItem, extracting the values using appropriate functions based on data type, and finally freeing the allocated memory using CJSON delete to avoid memory leaks. Remember to install the CJSON library and correctly include the header file in your project. Always check for errors during parsing and data retrieval for robust code.